You've seen the commercials, right? They talk about all the great things that different Medicare Advantage plans can offer. But did you know that there's a dark side to the program? When it comes to coverage for different health issues, there's often a trade-off, but others have documented that fact better than I can. I'm here to talk about the other dark side, the one that involves unscrupulous agents essentially hunting down our parents just to get them to switch plans. Again, and again, and yet again. All in the same year. I mean, talk about Groundhog Day. And our parents suffer because the plan switch makes commission money for the agent, while our parents end up coming out of pocket for services and procedures that should otherwise be covered. Frustrating. At the next session of our Protecting Aging Parents from Financial Ruin workshop, we talk about how to catch the signs of this problem and protect our parents from the hunt. No one should have a doctor or hospital claim denied just because they were tricked into switching plans 3, maybe even 4 times in the same year. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.